I will begin the first section of our presentation, Introduction Marine Pollution. There are three main causes we need to look at. First, plastic waste. Second, heavy metals and industrial wastewater. Third, oil spill. This picture on the right shows this is a very serious problem. Every year, 8 million metric tons of plastic flow into the ocean. If we don't change, by 2050, the total waste for plastic will actually exceed the waste of all the fish in the sea. In fact, 90% of seabirds and 30% of conventional fish have already eaten plastic by mistake. This is the end of my part.
I will focus on industrial and chemical pollution. First, let's look at industrial wastewater. Probably 80% of untreated wastewater is dumped into the sea. Next is the hidden threat, e-waste. In 2022, we generated 62 million tons of electronic waste. The problem is that 70% of the waste is just dumped, not recycled. This electronic toxic chemical leak into the seawater. What exactly is leaking? It's heavy metals. The most dangerous ones are mercury, lead, and cadmium. The big problem is how long do they stay in the ocean? Yes, they are still there. They never go away. Now let's talk about oil spills. Many people think shipwrecks are the main cause, but that's not true. Actually, over 74% oil comes from silent sources. This includes land-based runoff and routine ship operation. In short, most oil comes from the land, not from big vessels. This is the end of my part.
I want to talk about our ocean crisis. Let's go back to January 14, 2001. A British ship called the Home Coast placed on the Duncan Reserve in Quebec. We call this area Black Hills on the coral. Duncan is a beautiful and fertile area in Quebec, which made this accident a true tragedy. The ship was carrying 60,000 tons of iron ore and destroyed 3.5 kilometers of the coral reef. Because of this, town had to pay 70 million NT$ in legal fees. And why did we have to pay? Because we had zero baseline data to prove how the ocean was clean. It was a careful lesson. This is the end of my part.
I will talk about conclusion. Marine production is not only a job of government or company. Students still can still help in daily life. We can bring our own water bottle, use fewer plastic bags, store trash carefully, choose eco-friendly products, and share ocean protection ideas. Marine pollution is a serious problem. Plastic waste, wastewater, oil spills, they all hurt the animal and also hurt the ocean and people through the food chain. So protecting the ocean is protecting our future. Today I want to say small action can make a big difference. Thank you for listening.